Another ADB 160 dito sa Icon Shop, which is located at number 9 CP Garcia Avenue, UP Diliman, Quezon City. Just waste Atan Indotai concept, okay? Ang ADB ni boss, tinakbo pa lang is 2,600, okay? Nag-avail si boss ng ating pinakamalupitang package A, which is Icon and PI Auto Style, right? Icon Premium LED. So, quick demo ko lang guys yung ginawa nating setup dito sa ADB 160. We have loud horn, PIAA, we have horn selector, back to stock mode without combo, without rapid, alright? We have low beam ng mini driving light switch, Icon mini driving light switch, ayan. Alright, ginamit nating switch dito guys sa Icon Terra, Icon Night Owl mini driving light switch. Ayan, low beam, high beam, yellow, blasted yellow, low beam, solid white. Tapos stock horn, switch mode sa loud horn. Rapid mode, alright. So sa may mga gusto na ganitong klaseng setup lights, we have passing light also, low beam, passing, high beam, passing, alright. So may mga gusto na ganitong setup guys, wish nyo lang at an Indotai concept. Number 9 CP Garcia Avenue, UP Diliman, Quezon City, okay. Yan yung ADB ni Sir, yan. Pwede na mag-Barilaki rides. Yan. Stainless bracket ginamit natin, syempre Nito tape, Japan relay, Denso. Tapos fuse box, syempre Japan din at wire dyan. Alright. Package A.